Hello viewers. Welcome back to our channel that provide tutorials on trending technologies. This video will be useful for the users looking to perform Teams to Teams migration. It will show a step-by-step process to migrate Teams between tenants using Kernel Microsoft Teams Migration solution. This tool is a feature-rich solution that supports simplified and secured migration of Teams between tenants. It migrates everything, including chats, channels, files, tabs, meetings, notes, planners, members, calls, and activities between Office 365 tenants. Launch Kernel Migration for SharePoint tool on your system. Go to the source pane and from there, go to Microsoft Teams and then right-click to select Add Teams. It will open a new wizard asking for the credentials to connect Teams in the source. Provide a project name and choose the authentication method to proceed. We recommend you select Modern Authentication. Now, enter the tenant ID, client ID, username, and client secret and then click Register and Connect. If you don't know how to find the required credentials for Modern Authentication, click on the app registration, how to generate client ID and client secret value, link and find the detailed process to create them. Similarly, go to the destination pane to add Teams. Enter the credentials using Modern Authentication and click Register and Connect. It brings you to a new wizard. Copy the link from the wizard and open it in the incognito window of your web browser. Now enter the destination tenant email address and password to log in. Copy the URL from the search bar and paste it to the wizard opened in the tool. Click OK. Teams account is connected in both the source and destination. Go to the added project name in the source pane and click on the plus sign to expand and see all the Teams users within the connected tenant. Right-click on Teams and click Migrate to migrate Teams from one tenant to another. It will open the Teams or Groups mapping screen. Select the teams to migrate and map them correctly with the destination team. To map the source and destination, click on the ellipsis or three dots under the Select Team Group column and select the targeted team. Click on Channels Mapping on the top to map the source channels with the destination. Use the drop-down column to select channel for mapping. If a source channel is not available in the destination, the tool will create a new one with the same name, and if it's there, the channel will appear in green color. Click on the destination channel name, if you want to rename the channel in the destination. Click OK after mapping the channels. Click on any source team name and then view members to see the associated members and their type. Click OK and then Next. The red color shows the list of the source teams or groups that are not in the destination. The tool will create a new team in the destination with the same name. You can click on the destination team name to rename the team. The teams in the green color shows the list of source teams that are available in the destination and pre-mapped by the tool automatically. If there are any destination mapped group that doesn't have any associated team, the group will appear in purple color and the software will enable team for that group and then migrate the data. Use the search bar to find any team by entering its team name to skip scrolling through hundreds or thousands of teams. On the next screen that shows the list of source and destination users, use the search bar to find any specific users. Use the ellipsis or three dots to select the destination users for mapping. If a source user is not in the destination, it will be highlighted in red color, otherwise it appears in green color. Use Import CSV option if there's any pre-mapped CSV file available on your system. The tool also provides the option to export a CSV file with all the mapped source and destination members. You can import it later on for future migrations to skip the hassle and perform quick Microsoft Teams migration to another tenant. Click Yes on the pop-up with the message, "Some users are not mapped. Do you still want to process to proceed?" Select from the different filters to migrate selective Teams data. The tool provides Team Objects filter, if file already exists, and Date filter. Click Next to proceed. Teams to Teams migration will begin showing the real-time status on the screen. Once completed, the tool shows a pop-up with message, "Migration is completed." Click OK to finish. Click on Save as CSV to download the migration report to your system. Click Finish and then Yes on the Do you want to exit wizard. With this, the Teams to Teams migration between tenants is completed. Thanks for watching. Follow the given link to learn more about Kernel Microsoft Teams migration. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from it. To explore more such insightful tutorials and help videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Have a great day.